Hi Lydia, hope you had a lovely weekend and you're ready for some more work now after your 2 days off. So I'm just going to have a look at your maths page there with you, and we are adding and we're regrouping units as tens. Okay, you've done loads of adding sums like that before, where you've had to regroup the units and bring over your tens. Now this time you have hundreds as well, but there's not much difference. Okay, so here, mom wants to buy a camera for 328 in this example up the top of the page. And she wants television for 214. So what is the total cost? So just do a quick estimate first, a guess of what your answer should be around. So 300 and 200 is 500. So your answer is going to be close to 500. Just so you know when you do your sum and you check back, is it right? Is it near your estimate? It's not way off. So we always, no matter what kind of sum you're doing, you start with the units. So step one, you add the units. So there is 8 units and 4 units. Okay, 8 and 4 is 12. So we need to regroup that. We keep the 2 in the units place, or here as well, and you regroup your 10 over to your tens. Okay, you must not forget to bring that 1 over for the tens. Okay, you must draw that in. And then you add your tens. 2 and 1 is 3, and the one you brought over is 4. And you've done loads of those kind of subs before. The only difference now is that you're going to be adding your hundreds as well. So that's very easy. 3 and 2 is 5. So your answer is 542. Just going to have a look at question 1 here. So Mr. Sporty is planning to buy playground equipment for the school. Help him find the cost of the following items. And take your estimate first. Have a bit of a guess, see what your answer should be close to. So he's buying a trampoline for €329 and table tennis for €345. So you start with the units, you add your 9 and your 5. 9 and 5 makes 14, so I'm going to regroup that. I'm going to keep my 4 in the units place and carry over my 1 to the tens, bringing my 10 over to the tens, okay? Don't forget to draw that in. 4, then we're adding our tens. 4 and 2 is 6, and the one you brought over is 7, and then your hundreds. 3 and 3 is 6. And don't forget to put in your money sign, because we're talking about money here. So your answer is 674. Okay, so keep your hundreds under your hundreds, your tens under your tens, and your units under your units. You always start with the units and you'll be regrouping. So don't forget to bring your tens over to the tens place when you're doing that. Okay. And then your challenges, the 2 cheapest pieces of playground equipment and the 2 dearest, the most expensive. Okay. So hope that's okay for you, and look at that. Talk to you soon. Bye.